Google Assistant is out. Gemini AI takes over in 2025. Discover how your Android, car, and smart home will change forever. From lock screen access to Astra-powered video features, this AI revolution is here. Will you upgrade? Dive into the future of AI assistants before it's too late. Welcome back to Daily Life, your go-to channel for breaking down the latest in the world of technology. Today, we've got some huge news coming straight from Google that's going to change how you interact with your Android devices. Let's dive in. Get ready for a major shake-up in the world of virtual assistants. Google has officially announced its plans to retire Google Assistant on most Android devices and replace it with its advanced AI model, Gemini. This isn't just a small update. It's a complete shift towards embracing the power of generative AI. The official announcement dropped on March 14, 2025, and while some users have already made the switch voluntarily, the full rollout is scheduled for later in 2025. Mark your calendars, because the familiar Google Assistant as you know it will no longer be accessible on most mobile devices or available in app stores sometime next year. If you're still using Assistant, keep an eye out for a no upgrade prompt in the coming months. Google will be giving everyone a heads up before the final switch, so you have time to prepare. This transition isn't just limited to your phone. Google is bringing Gemini to a whole ecosystem of devices. We're talking tablets, your car with Android Auto, wearables like headphones and smartwatches, they're all getting the Gemini upgrade. Even your smart home devices, like speakers, displays, and TVs, are set to get a new Gemini-powered experience. So, what can you expect from Gemini? This isn't just a name change. It's a significant leap forward in capabilities. Gemini boasts enhanced natural language understanding and generation, making conversations feel more natural and intuitive. It'll be able to interact directly with your apps and services on your device, making integration seamless. Later in 2025, we can expect screen sharing and video capabilities powered by Astra technology. That's a game changer. Expect improved contextual awareness, meaning Gemini will understand your needs better based on past interactions. You'll even be able to access Gemini from the lock screen, balancing convenience with security. And for those deep divies, the deep research feature promises more comprehensive information gathering. Plus, Gemini will have utilities for controlling your phone's capabilities, expanding its practical applications. Google is also emphasizing continuous quality improvements focused on making your day-to-day interactions smoother and potentially more creative and productive. Google's vision for Gemini goes beyond simply replacing Assistant. They aim to create a truly personalized and context-aware AI companion and assistant that understands you and the world around you. They envision Gemini as a tool to boost your productivity, spark creativity, and fuel your curiosity, all while seamlessly integrating with your existing digital life. While some might miss certain assistant features, Google is actively working to ensure a smooth transition and address any gaps. With the upcoming Astra-powered video and screen sharing, it's clear that Google is betting big on Gemini as the future of AI interaction across all its platforms. What do you think about this major shift? Are you excited about Gemini replacing Google Assistant? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Daily Life for more tech news and breakdowns. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for tuning into Daily Life. We'll be keeping a close eye on the rollout of Gemini, so stay connected for more updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.